Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 24 of Loving my minis in February. We are doing a great job of going through all of my extra minis that I've had collected over the past few years. Today we are putting $8 into our bank, and I know we are close to finishing a few, so that's pretty exciting. And yeah, I have gone through pretty much maybe a quarter to a third of my stash of minis. So I'm very excited that we are moving right on through. I am all set to go into March with this. I have the prop coins and prop placeholders from Brittany over at Budgeting with a Ginger. And these are from Kimmy's Corner. They are absolutely adorable, and you can get these on her Ko-fi for a small fee, worth every penny. They are so cute. You get the coins, very Victoria's Secret-esque. All right, so let's see. We are starting at number 3. So let's get that one all situated. Okay. How's everything going? How's your Monday? I hope your Tuesday is going well. All right, let's go. 2 for number 3. 2 for number 4. 1 for number 5. 3 for number 6. 1 for 7. 3 for 8. Let's go to 1. 1, 2, and 3 for 1. Nice. 2, 3 for number 2. Y'all know I want it for 3. Got it. Yes. 1, 2, and 3 for 3. Ooh, 3 for 4. We're flying through our stash today. 2 for 5. We have 2 left. And 2 for 6. So we will start at number 7 tomorrow. All right. So let's see. Number 1. Number 1 got 75 cents. And this one is from Bonnie at Bonfire Budget, so I can do 3 more hearts. Perfect. All right, so that can go in there. It's so cute. Oh, we got a 50, 25, and 25 for number 2, so that's $1. And we just needed 25 cents. This one is from Candy at Stuff and Budgets. So let's do 1 star, and we are good to go. And this is just $4. Perfect. So I'll just scoot that right there. All right, so let's see. I have another one off to the side instead of going to my stash. I have another one from Sweet Indulgence Budgets. This will save us $4, and it's Be My Valentine, yes or no. So we have 75 cents that we can do in this one. Perfect. That can go in here. And then number 3. Ooh, number 3 got 50 cents. So we got $1.50 going into number 3. And we are not going to finish this one from Becca, but that's all right. So we can do 25 and then $1.25. Okay, perfect. He's jumping in a pile of leaves. That's hilarious. All right, number 4. We got $1.25 going into number 4. And we just needed $1. So let's put these out of here, and we can color this one in. This is another one from Becca Budgets. Yay! So $4 and $3 so far. So we have 25 cents that we can go back to our extras. What do we got here? We have another one from Saving with Sam. So we can do 25 cents. So one set of glasses, or one lens, I guess, is more proper. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, that'll save $5. And that's from Saving with Sam. All right, number 5. Ooh, got 50 cents. So we got $1 going into 5. We just needed 25 cents. This is the one from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. Since I started with a different color, I'm going to end with a different color. So this one saved us $5 from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. And oops. Yeah, this is our cue. Okay. So what do we got here? Another one from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. This will save us $3. So we can do 75. Perfect. All right, number 6. Ooh, number 6 got a lot. Okay, number 6 got $1.25. And we have $1. So we did not finish, but that's all right. All right, so that leaves us 50 cents left for Lindsay's. All right, and number 7 got 25 cents. So we will color in one little honeycomb. No matter what the number says, I'm just saving every spot as 25 cents. This one is from Our Beautiful Budgets. Okay, and then last but not least, we have number 8. That, oh, look, it has all the same stripes. Number 8, and it's getting $1. And this one's from Greta at Agape Book Club. So 25, 50, 75, and $1. Perfect. I love all the fall challenges I've got going on in here. All right, so it looks like we saved or finished 3 challenges, which is pretty awesome. Let's go back here. We'll put our prop coins away. Okay, and then we have 5, 4, and 3. So 5, 9, 12. So $12 that we saved today. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12. $12 and 3 challenges. Love it. All right, put our $12 in here. And then we have our completed ones go back here. Cannot wait to count that. All right, day 24, all done. It's getting a little harder to close that. So, all right, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.